Hi, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah. Today I wanted mac and cheese, so I'm cooking it. So we're cooking some Krafts macaroni and cheese here. Look at that. Look at that. This is what the light to. Okay. So it is now boiling. I just set the pot on high with water. Here's some water here. It's now on high, and I'm trying to open this so I can pour the macaroni and cheese in.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pour that in right there.
So it says on the books to cook it for about 7 to 8 minutes. Alright, 7 to 8 minutes, great. Hey Google, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, starting now.
Yeah, we're gonna let this cook, simmer. For me, it'll be in 8 minutes. For you, it'll be like a hot second. Like a quick minute. And we're back here. Okay. So the pasta, the timer is currently done. It says it was 8 minutes. Let's see. Trying to get like one noodle here. Oh yeah, that's totally done. Alright. So we turn this shit off. And then we're gonna go right over to the sink and dump this out. As you can tell, so excuse me.
Oh yes.
Pour it back into the pot. Oh yes. There we go. The cheese. So it's just regular cheese, just rip it apart. 1/4 cup of milk and some cheese. I'm just gonna sprinkle that. Just gonna put the whole thing in there, and we're just gonna sprinkle and stir. The handle is hot as hell, and it looks like to be fully coated. We're just gonna taste this and see if it's delicious. Oh yeah, that's good. That's definitely more better than this, than the butter is. We're done. After that, you can just look at that. Look at that. There it is. All delicious. All. Yes. Yes. Alright. Beautiful. So that's going to do it for this video. Thank you for sharing this with me. Cooking some macaroni and cheese. Yum. Hello. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Or say in the comments that you want more of this. Just getting real with me. We're cooking mac and cheese. Delicious. Hello. And I do have some new projects in the future over the summer, and I'm so excited to execute them and get to, so look out for that. Anyway guys, I hope that you have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. So good.